Welcome to today's hands-on. We'll be learning about ABAC with tags today. So ABAC uses resource attributes, that is tags, and user attributes to decide access. Policies evaluate these tags dynamically. Unlike RBAC, that is role-based access control, ABAC is context aware, right? ABAC, please remember, is a context aware. So now let's see this in action in our Azure Databricks. So first we need to go to the Unity catalog, because Unity catalog is where we manage access control for data objects. Let's go here. Now let's select the catalog where we want to apply the ABAC. Let's select our training catalog. Next, let's assign tags to the resource. We'll click on add tags here. So tags are basically the metadata labels attached to tables, schemas, and catalogs. So let's give something like the environment here. If it is not present, I'll click on create new tag environment, and environment can be like development for dev. And let's add another tag like it can be sensitivity. Let's write sensitivity. I'll click on add new tag, and let's give a value here. It can be confidential. Let's now save it. If everything looks good, I'll save changes by clicking the save button here. We can see tags have been updated, and here at the bottom now tags environment development and sensitivity confidential is now appearing. Now let's go to the policies here. So currently there are no policies. So policies define rules based on tags and user attributes. So let's add policy. I'll click on new policy. Let's give a name for this policy, something like test policy. And where we want to apply, I'll select all account users. If we want to exclude, we can exclude some principals here as well. We can apply the policy type. Is it row filter or column mask, right? Row filter, basically, as the definition suggests, it will restrict which rows are accessible. So here on the right hand side, we can see the policy code here. Here we basically write the kind of conditions. If the user department is kind of HR or finance, then grant select, something like that. So once done, here we can click on create policy. So here in the row filter function, if you can use existing or you can create as well, anything is fine as long as we are good. So once done, let's click on create. So if we choose the existing policy, we do need to select a function. It says function is required. I'll browse one of my function here. I'll click on select. So here we can see the function, right? Let's click on create policy. Now let's select one tags because tags are required. I'll select one of them. Let's click on create policy now. And there we go. The policy is created and to principals, all account users is mentioned. So that's what goes the tutorial for ABAC with tags. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lecture.